In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change text position in DaVinci Resolve quickly and easily, even if you've never done it before. Whether you want to move your text left, right, up, down, or fine-tune it for a more professional look, this guide will walk you through every step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. This is where you'll find your timeline and all of your video clips, including any text layers you've already added. Next, locate your text or text plus clip in the timeline. This is the clip that controls the text you want to reposition. Once you've found it, click on the text clip to select it. Selecting the clip is important because the settings you change in the inspector will only apply to the active clip. Now look to the top right corner of the interface and open the inspector panel. If you don't see it right away, just click Inspector to make it visible. The inspector is where you'll control most of the properties for your selected clip. Make sure you are on the video controls section. If you're using a standard text clip, you'll usually see the controls you need there. If you're using Text Plus, you may need to look in the layout or transform section instead, depending on your version and template. Now find the transform section. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see all of the available settings. This is where the position controls are located. Look for position X and position Y. These two values are the main controls for moving your text around the screen. Position X moves the text left and right, while position Y moves the text up and down. If you want to move your text horizontally, adjust position X. Lower values or negative values will move it left and higher values will move it right. If you want to move the text vertically, adjust position Y. Changing this value will move the text higher or lower on the viewer. You can click and drag on the numbers for quick adjustments, which is great when you're trying to eyeball the placement. Or, if you want more precision, you can simply type in exact values. That's especially useful when you want the text to sit in the same place across multiple clips. If you prefer a more visual method, you can also use the transform tool below the viewer. Click that tool, then drag the text directly in the viewer to reposition it. This is often the fastest way to place text where you want it on screen. For best results, you can combine both methods. Use dragging for rough placement, then use position X and position Y for fine adjustments until everything looks perfect. If you're creating a title card, lower third, or subtitle style effect, this combination gives you much more control over the final look. And if you want to animate the text so it moves over time, you can do that too. Just click the keyframe icon next to position, then move forward in the timeline and change the position values. DaVinci Resolve will create motion between those keyframes, giving your text a smooth animated movement. This is a great way to make titles appear, slide in, or move across the screen without needing extra effects. So, to recap, select your text clip, open the inspector, adjust position X and position Y, or drag directly in the viewer for a faster workflow. And if you want animation, add keyframes and move the text over time. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.